Finally, the how. This is where tech enablement comes in if you're in the technology space, especially digital. Technology enables solving a business problem. But again, when we look at our how, what I've noticed is we typically look at the how from in a tech space, especially working towards the world's largest backup, the world's largest performance ecosystem, the world's largest platform. Instead, when we look at delivery, implementation, and execution, the best way in the transformation space is to be design-led. And what that means is whenever we are coming up with the how, which is our solutions to a problem, whether it's tech, whether it's business transformation, whether it's new SOPs, whether it's new operating model, whatever that needs to be as to how we'll solve our problem, we should sit with our customers, we should sit with our users, build this brick by brick so that we can take their input. And if we had sat down and had built out the world's largest solution out there without engaging our customers, without engaging our users, without being design-led, we will come across one too many times that we'll have to go back and redo some of this work, which is costly, which impacts our timelines, impacts budgets, impacts skills. It's great when we look at the how with the customer so that we can build with them and address their real problems.